Okay guys, this is the final project. You remember when you start with this project, when you disassemble the engine. When you repair the head. The cylinders. When you fix the piston. When you remove the liner. And now you are ready to start the engine. Okay, we are going to crank it. We connect the wiring and we are ready. Congratulations guys. This is the thing. Congratulations guys.